God, oh my God, oh my God. Hey people, Stephen I from My Fortune, creating fortunes for the future. Happy New Year. And I hope you have rewritten or readjusted or refined your New Year's resolution. Anyway, in New Zealand, in Auckland, New Zealand anyway, it's raining. And we haven't seen summer for quite a long time here in New Zealand at this point of time. However, when it's raining, I do suggest getting your loved one in your bed and make some babies. That's how beautiful rain can do for us. But anyway, more importantly, we're here in regards to Trust Wallet. Now, Trust Wallet, I have probably made a video in the past about it. It's how to set it all up with your mining pool. In this particular case, I'm in one of my Trust Wallet. Let's go through it with it. Let's go back. Now, if to get to your Trust Wallet setting, or if you want another Trust Wallet added, press setting, come on to setting, then you press wallet, and as you can see, I got 3 of them in there so far. And the purpose of each one, that each wallet will have a mining pool process within them. You can't have 2 mining pools in one wallet because it becomes like a conflict to the other. So the best way to deal with it is just to open up a new wallet. Now, if you want to open up a new wallet, go up to the plus sign up at the top corner, click on it, and go through the process of setting up the wallet with all your 12-word security thing. Now, keep those words saved. Write them down on a piece of paper somewhere, or in fact, get yourself a brand new exercise book. Those are the books that we get from school, and we write things in it. Keep all your records in that book, and that book should be precious for you. It should be kept safe out of the way so you can keep your records and your login details saved. But anyway, back to what we were talking about, wallet. Now, this particular one, which is my third wallet, has this sort of setting in it. And you're going to wonder, what all these coins are in here for? Well, I'm still going through the process of changing my Binance, this one, into ETH USDT. That's the one that's fueling the mining app. Let me take you through to it. And it's this particular one, ERC20. Okay, now the link for this website, it's underneath my video here, and you only got to click on it. Click on the link, and I'm going to show you how to paste it into the Trust app. Now, just say, for example, you got the link. What you do is you come in here, go back again, copy this link wherever you're going to get it, but of course you're going to get it from the bottom of my video here. Once you copy it, then you put it up the top here, paste up the top there, and it'll be done deal. And as you can see, it's changed it straight away at the top. Leave this button as Ethereum. That's the setup, because the other setup, as you recognize from my other video, it was used BNB smart chain, sorry. But in this particular case, leave it on Ethereum. The only thing I don't like Ethereum is it's expensive. Every time we do a transaction, it's quite highly expensive, the transactions fee, but we can't get over that process if we want to use this mining pool or mining app to do some of the hard yakka for us to make us coins. Now, let's go back again. In this particular case, this is the fuel money. That's what's used to fuel it. And I've already got $6.34 in there. I'm going through the process, as I said earlier, transferring some of this Binance USD into it. And that process will take a little while because I haven't set it up, because I need some Ethereum. Like I said, Ethereum is quite expensive. It's going to cost me just $5 if I want to change this button, USD, BNB USD into Theta. So the only way to do it is, I think I'm going to go back to my exchange or another wallet and transfer some Ethereum into here to be able to, this is the registration fee. It comes right out of Ethereum to activate this particular mining a DeFi mining pool. But anyway, mine is already activated, and that's all you need to do. Firstly, let's go back through the process again. Copy the link from down below my video here. And of course, while we are here, do me a huge favor and please subscribe to my YouTube video. And my goal for the year is to reach about 1,000 subscribers. And if you have done so in the past, thank you so much. We love you. God bless you. May your years continue just for helping me out achieve my 1,000 subscribers. And of course, like my video also, the reason also that you need to subscribe to my video so you can get a ping on your side whenever I be making a new video, and that helps you stay in contact. Ping from your side to let you know Steve has made another video, and that's also work hand in hand. And I'm giving you more ideas, I find them, and to help you build your own online income system. So basically, all these R4 Fortune processes to help you set up your own investment processes in the future. Now, these are mining pools, okay? Now, once you start to collect a fair bit of money from small investments, for example, well, I'm only going to put in there for this at this time about $50, and every time I get another $50, I'll upload it into Tether, into this to this trust wallet. Now, make sure you know which wallet you want to put it into. As you can see, I've got 3 of them, so always check, come in and check which wallet you're in, otherwise you'll confuse your system and you might get locked out, and you don't want to do that from your system. The general idea of it, these mining pools is going to help you generate this extra income. And now I'm going to be making another video in the future that short-term trading, it's going to be the next phase what I'm going to put you through. But at these early stages, it's all about making a lot of coins, cryptocurrency coins we're talking about, to be able to remove some of it later on to go into what it's called short-term trading. Now, short-term trading, I wouldn't advise at this stage, if you don't know nothing about it, just stay right out of it. Don't worry, I'm going to guide you through it, how to successfully go into short-term trading. But let's concentrate on what we're talking here. Trust wallet, DeFi mining pool, and this particular one, as I said, once again, it's used with ERC20. Now, that's the particular app. Mine is set up, and as you can see down the bottom here, on the side here, on the recent output, it's created some sort of income only because of a smaller, to be able to get some bigger return on my investments with ERC20. But anyway, I hope I've given you an idea. I got 3 trust wallet. Each one of them has got a different mining pool in it, or DeFi mining pool. And as creators of these systems continue to put them out, we upload them onto our wallets. Now, you got to remember also, the wallet, it's a DeFi, meaning decentralized. It's not operated by anybody else. You're the one in control of it. So whatever you put into your wallet, make sure they're legitimate, they're not scams, and make sure that you know and you have some credibility from other sources to say that these links that you're going to add into your system or your wallet, it's not going to pinch. They're not scam wallets. So bear that in mind as a warning. Whatever you're going to load up into your wallet, into your browser, this is this bit up the top here. Whatever you load up here, make sure up the top, up on your browser, make sure it's a credible one, and you want to only add any DeFi recommendations in here if they're worth it. Otherwise, do some research. In fact, what I'm giving you here right now, like this ERC20, do some research on it before you upload it into your wallet, because you don't want these DeFi processes to start pinching your coins in your wallet. So bear that in mind. Even though I'm recommending it, I also recommend you do some research before you actually upload these into your wallet. And that's a warning. Now I'm just showing you because I've got it in my wallet and I'm going to go with the process. It's a bit risky for me to say so, but I'm a man. If I don't take any risk, I'm not going to reap some rewards. So bear that in mind. And as we look forward for the year 2023, I hope you have some excellent expectations. And once again, I will recommend go find a book and start rewriting or redefining your New Year's resolution. Goal setting is very, very important. Okay, so if you set goals that you're going to achieve with these mining processes or DeFi mining systems, you will achieve those goals. So if you want to read a little bit more about what these processes are doing, and as you can see, my system here is already growing from the small, and this account has already been started about 2-3 days ago, and it's already starting to show up the top here. I don't know how to say that, but that's Ethereum 0.00017, only because I've got a small tether in there. Now I'm going to show you something else. That's the reward is starting to show up. Okay, here we go. This is important. Now 1, 2, 3. This is the buttons down the bottom. You push on that. If you push on the third one, you can read some of the ideas how the system works and how they're operating and what is a DeFi wallet. I mean, it's very, very, very good. And of course, down the bottom here is the rates of how much you're going to be earning from using these systems. I suggest get $1,000 and pump it into the system. Put it in here and let your $1,000 show you what it can do with this investment system. Now, like I said to you before, I've got 3 of them, 3 wallets, and each one of them has got a DeFi separate account to be able to mine these extra coins for me. And I hope that, not hope, in the reality that these will grow in the near future, and I'm going to swap them into what is called short-term trading. But I hope I'm giving you some ideas how to grow your coins, and these are investment systems, of course, and then you can certainly try out yourself. And I suggest put some money in it, don't muck around with it, and let that money. Now remember, invest money that you can only afford, and if you can't afford it, just stay away from it. I don't want you to be falling into something that you can't afford to be able to do, because sometimes investment, you do have some losses. That's part of life. I'm not saying you're going to lose money in the system. I'm just saying beware and be cautious. Even though, like I said, I'm suggesting these processes for you, it does take a little bit of risk, but the risk, I'm hoping that it will pay off in the future for yourself. So get some money, pump it into the system. As you have seen here, you will need USDT. This is this baby here. You will need some of that first. Okay, and you will also need Ethereum. I would say $20 on each. Say put $20 in Ethereum, as much as you can into USDT. Okay, and I think those are the only 2 coins you need in here. I've used these coins here, BNB Smart, and Binance USD. I was only trying something out, but don't go through those processes. The only 2 coins you will need in this particular app is Ethereum and USDT. Now the USDT has to be, because don't forget, and got to be careful of this also. The USDT that you got to transfer in here, it's up the top here. Hold on, let me bring it up. I don't know if we'll bring it up clear. I want it to be clear. Oh, here we go. It's, if you see it on the bottom here, Tether USD ERC20. Make sure the coin is under that brand or the network ERC20, because there are other USDT. Let me show it to you. Oh, here we go. In that system that you don't want to get mixed up with. This particular one is USDT CR up on the left corner up the top here. CRC20. That's one other network, and the other one is USDT BEP 20. You don't want to get confused. The one you want to use in this particular app, it has to be, again, sorry if I'm confusing you, it's up the top here, is ERC20. So your coin has to be the same, especially the USDT ERC20, as you can see up the top, top left corner. Okay, that's another thing to remember. Only in this app you've got to transfer everything, then make sure through ERC20 network. So when you're transferring, say from your wallet or from your exchange, make sure that each coin that's especially USDT is the ERC20 network. Okay, awesome. Absolutely awesome. So I hope by say this time next year you can be really appreciative of setting these mining pools for yourself to create a lot more income for yourself in the future. But anyway, I hope you have learned something, and I wish you a continued happy new year. And this is Stephen Arford from Arford Fortune, creating fortunes for the future. We love you, God loves you, and we'll see you on my next video. Bye for now.